Inductotherm today designs and manufactures melting, heating, holding, pouring, and coating equipment for the metal producers and casters around the world. Headquartered in Rancocas, New Jersey, we have expanded our reach in order to provide maximum customer service and support. Our 18 manufacturing facilities with 80 additional sales and service locations around the world in 47 countries help us to set the world standard for customer service and support. From our humble beginnings in 1953, we've established a commitment to superior customer service, to excellence in product design, to developing the most innovative technology, and to maintaining the highest standards of quality and reliability. Throughout our history, we've pioneered a number of firsts in the industry. As we help the foundry industry grow, we too are growing in size and scope, creating and refining technologies that were scarcely theoretical, let alone practical just a short time ago. With our advanced technology and innovation, we have and will continue to maintain our clear leadership in induction and automation technologies. It's inspiring to see how far we've come, and we believe that some of our greatest moments are yet to be developed as we continue to make advancements. Our core values are the keys to our continued success, but dedication to customer service has always been our most important value. We continue to work together to provide global yet local support so that our customers have the competitive edge.